Hey everyone, welcome back to the Preset VIZE channel. So today I'm going to be remaking a song that one of you asked for, and that song is Hurricane by Ofenbach. But we're going to go right into FL and start this remake. So the first sound that struck me was this pluck sound, which is kind of like a guitar short stabby pluck. So what I've done is grabbed a preset and then just made an art pattern which sounds like this. So the preset is called 1.0 and you can grab this in Car Music Vol.1. I've just tweaked a couple of things like decay and just basically trying to shape it in a way that it sounds identical to the original. So this is what we have so far with the isolated vocal. So next up I wanted to take a look at some chords, and I've started this with the pad called Touch, which is available in Mainstage Vol.1, and here are the chords for it. I've then layered this up with this synth called Bell Pad Layer from Car Music Vol.4, and we're playing, I believe, just some deeper notes as well as the normal chords we have. So the two sounds together sound like this. Next up we've got some piano, and I took FL keys as usual. I'm just using the standard FL Studio piano keyboard VST. This is what we have all together so far. So as you can see, I've just put some automation here to kind of automate the cutoff amount. Now we're introducing some drums just to kind of get a groove going at the start of the song. And this is from Car Music Vol.4. We've then got a clap from Car Music Vol.4 with a little bit of pre-shift in, maybe 2 places. So this is how it sounds. And then we've got some hi-hats as well. These are really short decayed closed hi-hats which just give you a really nice kind of ticking effect. And then we've got some offbeat hi-hats, so these are just doing the offbeat kind of swing ones. So now I'm going to put some transitional effects. As you can see, I've got a sweep here which goes into a downlifter, just to kind of tie us into the next section. So as we head into this build section here, we've got the chords reintroduced, which are like all the pad sounds we had earlier. And so I've now created a new pattern to do the piano chords on the build / chorus section. And basically all it is just chopped up, so you get more of like a staccato kind of pattern rather than just like held chords. And then we come into the part here where it gets even more kind of intense with the snares and stuff, and what they've done in the production is kind of chopped up the chords again, so you get like... So here now I've got the snare build which I was talking about, and I've dragged this one from Car Music Vol.4. It was perfect out of the box. I kind of just put it straight in the project and then chopped it up here and there, but the sound is bang on for what we need. And I'm now going to add some automation to these, so we've got some Mod X automation, which is essentially just opening up a filter. And then we've also got a channel pitch, so by putting this on stretch mode you can actually pitch like a whole sample. Even if you chop it up, it will stay in position. So it's worth quickly running through the piano processing before I forget, just going back to that. So I've got the Acme Opticom XLA3, which is a really, really good plugin for like compression and kind of just smoothing out sounds. I guess it's a leveling amplifier, so like a leveling compressor. So I'm doing between 3 and 5 kind of gain reduction on there. And so for the automation that I was talking about earlier with the piano chords on the filter, we're using the Love filter just because it has a nice musical sound. I'm using the triple filter and I'm just adjusting this kind of frequency here. So now it's all about just kind of adding to it and adding sweeps in, which I've just done here from Car Music Vol.4, the 2 of these ones. So we've got this, a really noisy kind of dirty sounding one. And then more of like a vibey kind of uplifter. I've got some Endless Smile here, which does a great job of just drowning out everything on the bass, and also adding like a load of reverb and delay, which really washes out all of the kind of song and just makes the drop like 10 times harder. Alright, so let's go and take a listen back to the entire thing, what we've done today. And if you come back here on Friday, you'll see the chorus, which is probably why you're here. But this was the first part. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let us know what you want to see in the next videos as well, if there's any remakes in particular or in the style videos. But thank you very much as always for watching, and we're going to go and take a listen back now all together.